Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to make a new button and link it to a new page. I'm going to go to my personal page. I already have a button here for my cat.
My cat's name is Sheba.
Today we're going to create a new button and a new page. We are going to make a swimming page. I'm going to hit edit in the top right corner. Then I'm going to hit below where it says button. Here we're going to create a label and a message, and we're going to put a picture for this button. I chose swimming because it's an activity that I love to do and will likely talk about when I meet a new person or during conversation. I'm simply going to label the button swimming, and then it'll bring up a picture automatically. If I click on the picture, it will then give me an option to choose a different one if I want to. I'm going to just scroll through and see which one I like the best. And sometimes I try to choose pictures that maybe look like me or my client, or just anything that's easy to identify. It's really your choice, or your client's choice. And you can also put in real pictures for anyone that needs real pictures. You can take a picture of the user swimming and then save it in photos. You'll see link page on the left, and you're going to go and click on link page. It's going to give you a choice to link to new page, existing page, copy of a page, or import and link to page. Today I'm going to just create a new page. So we're going to hit link to new page, which is the top one, as you can see. Once I hit link new page, it's going to bring up the new page box here where I can label the page, and I'm going to just label it swimming, just like the button. And it's going to give me an option to choose a picture. I'm just going to choose the same picture I used for the button just to keep it consistent. Now you can see an arrow on the top right corner of the swimming button, which is on my personal page. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to get to that new page and then how to add new buttons on that page. So when I choose new buttons or pictures, I'm going to choose ones that have to do with swimming. So obviously I want to think about some things that I'll be discussing when I talk about the topic of swimming. I'm going to hit the swimming button.
Swimming.
And then I'm going to hit the edit in the upper right corner again. I'm going to select a gray square and then label bathing suit, since I might want to talk about the bathing suit I wear to swim. It's going to bring up a picture, and then I'm going to choose the picture I want. After I choose the picture, I'm going to make sure the message says what I want the device to say when I hit the button. I'm going to put 2 more buttons on this swimming page. The next one will be goggles, because I always wear my goggles when I swim. And of course I'm going to choose a picture that I like to represent the goggles button. And this one looks like the best one for me. The third button I'm going to make will be a towel button because I always have to dry off after I go swimming. And I think I'm going to choose a towel that looks like one I would actually use to swim in the pool. So I'm going to actually take you all the way back to core words just to show you how to get to the swimming page. Remember, I put the swimming page on the button on my personal page. So we're going to go there, and then from there we can hit the swimming button, and it will bring us to the page. Right now it says swimming when I hit the button. I'm going to hit edit and change that. I'm going to go down, and you can see where it says speak or insert message. I clicked the red circle with the minus sign, and now I'm going to delete it. This way I can just hit the button, and it will just take me to the swimming page silently. I just hit the swimming button, and it brings me to the page.
Bathing suit.
And I can hit whatever buttons I want to talk about on the swimming page. Creating this page on my personal page gives me very easy access to a topic that I really like to talk about. If I want to do some cool things to this button, I can go down to Style on the left, and then it's going to bring up this menu, and you can change the background, the border, I'm going to do the border first. So I want to create a border around my swimming button, and I'm going to choose my favorite color, violet, let's say. So now when we come out and hit done, you're going to see that the button's border is the color violet, which is kind of cool. Let me also change the writing, the label color, the writing that says swimming. I'm going to choose a different color, maybe something kind of similar. Yeah, I'll hit lavender. And you can see that the buttons, the swimming part of the buttons is a lavender color now. And while we're at it, why don't we just change the font size. Right now it's at 125%, and I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go down and let me see. Let's do 200%. Then we'll go ahead and change the actual font just to make it fun. I'm going to hit font and then go down, try a few different ones. I will select Chalkboard SE. Nah, I don't really like that one. What else can we find? Ooh, marker felt. Much better. That is a really cool way to make this kind of fun, and also helps to make the buttons that you really need stand out, or to really personalize the page for you or for whoever the user is. Pretty cool features, I think. You can also print a page. Let's say when I go swimming, I want to take my swimming page with me, but I don't want to get my iPad or my tablet wet. I'm going to show you how to print that. We're in Edit again, and we're going to go over to Page. And to the left, we're going to hit Print Pages. Then we're going to hit Print, and it's going to allow me to select the swimming page, which is already highlighted. But just to show you, you can also just go down to different pages and find any page that you would like to print. Again, I'm going to select the swimming page because I want to bring this page to my swimming lesson or wherever I'm going to swim. I hit Next on the bottom, then it's going to bring me to select printer options. I want to get rid of a couple things on this page. I'm going to get rid of the message bar. And I'm actually also going to get rid of the toolbar because I don't need those on my printed page. I hit print in the lower right corner, and it brings me to preparing pages. Then it brings me to this print options, and if I had any printer selected, I would hit the printer option. I don't have a printer hooked up to my iPad, so I don't have an option right now. If you do have one linked to your tablet, then you can select that printer to print. That wraps it up, so please subscribe to my channel and leave some comments below. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks guys, see ya.